Kabilang panik, Asisio, the rookie, starting with Reynam Batak, Ponferrada, Mocon, and Santillan. Our referees for this game, Sherwin Pineda, Mike Flordeliza, Jerry Narandan, and Francis Bello. And the blue shirts get the first possession in this game. Brought to us by Honda. There have to be some sort of fatigue, whatever you say. No?
Yeah, a bit. But, you know, both of these teams as well, there's a lot of what I call TOBP, or tremendous on-ball pressure.
Just right away, buong loob. Had to battle off some injuries as well. Sat out a couple of games, but there he is. Oh, Ian Sangalang hitting an outside shot. That's a rebound. Santillan naman ang susubok mula dyan sa labas.
Oh, there you go.
And look at these big guys just gunning from outside. That's a 3 mula kay Santi.
In the crucial minutes of the game.
Tama yun. Oh, coming off that baseline screen. Ang ganda naman ng pasa. Nakuha ni Ian Sangalang. He's got all the 4 points of Magnolia.
The contact there.
Baroka. Hook pass na. Anticipate ni JB Mocon. Ito naman siguro.
I don't think
Sigurado na yan. Two-handed jam para kay JB Mocon. Almost halfway through the first quarter. But check this out. The steal, and on the break, boom, 2 hands. Jams it through.
Wow. Above the...
Abueva, 3 on the way. Ayaw pa rin. Na-track down niya ulit yung kanyang mintis. To the basket. Ayun! Gets it. Strange angle off that glass. But Gio Halalo, nasaraduhan ng pinto ni Andre Karakut. Abueva this time again. And finally, he gets a 3-pointer. Remaining in this first period. Panoorin natin itong tref ni Abueva.
Calvin Abueva just taking it from the right flank there. And we'll see it. It's not your prototypical shot that they teach, but nothing can compare to... Nice backdoor.
Oh, yeah. And look at Yak going straight to the hoop. Couldn't make it drop. They might say it's counted because somebody tugged on that Meralco game.
It was a costly mistake. Look at this again. He wasn't trying to grab the net, in fairness. He was trying to go for the block, but somehow his...
Oh, hindi nakatingin si Calvin. Naagaw ni Gabe.
That could have been a foul right there, too.
Nice grab with his left. Tama, di ba? Pwedeng may foul din yun. And he's a nice guy.
Yeah.
Except when he's in your face on defense.
Yeah, not the guy I would want to have defending me, especially those really long arms. That's a second 3-foot.
Goes over to Borboran. He can hit it from there. Decides to go back to Andre. And Andre gets the 3 right back. Score pa ba itong Rainer Shine? Karakot gets it. Sizes up the defense. Takes that 3. Naso palpal naman ni Lauren Brill. So good defense from Brill.
6 out of 19 for Rainer Shine. 3-point shooting not better for Rainer Shine, especially 2 out of 11 for them from 3-point land. Magnolia get advantage for rebounding for Magnolia, though, 18-12.
Well, a game like this, only guys like Mike Fratello would appreciate. You know, kung sanay kay Karakot, balik kay Gabe. Bo, 18-16. Oh, look at that pass. And James Yap, good catch, good hands. Palobong tira, bitin ng konti, bakbakan sa rebound. Torres out-rebounding Aris. Up ahead to James. He gets that one to go.
Big game, James, with some good numbers.
Naghahabol pa rin itong Magnolia. 6 ang lamang ng Rainer Shine. Baroka decides to take it in the lane. Gets it to go. All of those boards as well. Paul Lee. There you go.
Finger glasses there. He comes off the pick, just pulls up. He's got a huge, big...
On the break, Abueva. Kick out to Rome. Rome hesitates on the 3 dahil nagbintis siya a couple of times. Paul doesn't hesitate and didn't need to. That's back-to-back 3s.
Clearing some space for him. And then this one from the opposite end. We all know when Paul Lee gets going, he gets them done in bunches.
Anyway, when the outside shot's not dropping para sa Paul Lee, it was 25-20. Tapos naka-8 siya dire-diretso na. Bo for 3. Too sharp. Oh, look at Santillan. Wow. Power rebound. 3 guys.
You know, 1 versus many, and he was able to come up with the goods.
Nawala sa kanya bola kay Calvin Abueva ngayon sa break. Ng Batak straight into Paul Lee. And it drops para kay Reynam.
Compression socks, maybe? I'm not sure.
Santillan. Di makompleto yung fast break. JB Mocon naman. Ang liligpit niya. And look at JB. Strong guys.
De La Rosa did just that. He's probably got about 4 or 5 inches on Santillan.
There's Ian Sangalang finally getting a basket. He missed a hole para kay Ian.
They keep getting these second chance points because of the toughness they have around the basket, getting those offensive boards.
On the move, lost the ball. Nakuha ni Asisto yan. Paul Lee's there for defense. But on the other side, JV Mocon, nicely run, fast break para sa...
Then he's in. Oh, nice.
Oh, that was pretty. Ang ganda naman noon mula kay JV Mocon.
You know, one of our games.
Paul Lee napunta kay Melton. Susugod si Justin. Kick kay Rome. Shot is up. And in for Rome De La Rosa. And he has to feel good after making...
For him, he's really had a tough day at the office, missing all of his shots. Nice three for him.
Oh, nag-iinit na. Ito si JV Mocon. Sunod-sunod na kanyang...
He just has this way of coming back from anything, any kind of an injury you throw at him.
Sabi ko, the Wolverine. Oh, look who's there.
Candidate JV Mocon.
Well, that's really how good he can be. Look at the way he just attacked that basket for the... Calvin wants it. The ball's not finding him. Melton will try a three. Oh, he hasn't made one in a bit. Si Paul Lee is a threat even from there. They go to Sangalang. Sa poste na naman. Ayun, he got the right angle off the glass, Vince.
There it is. And we got Mocon.
Paul Lee on the drive. Sangalang got it on the other side. Falls para kay Ian. Looking for a foul as well. Ng Magnolia, trailing by 7. Biglang tabla na naman tayo. Santillan clearing some space. Bagsak si Abueva telling the referee, wala bang offensive triple threat?
Otherwise, they'll just leave you alone. Speaking of
James Yap. Siya naman nakabasket. Double digits na. Person, because I thought it was Mocon on the drive once again. Didn't notice a substitution.
Even the same haircut.
Pabentosa dyan sa Bacolor. Lahat sila may mga bilog-bilog sa kanilang mga katawan.
Well, anyways. Reach at your own risk.
The stop and pop mula kay Garakot. Right side.
Yeah. Really a bright...
More so right now with the hair.
He's yet to get on the scoring bench, though.
Oh, they got Messi free for a three. He didn't make it, pero andun si
Anytime you want. To here, you're getting spot ups, you know, into the second quarter, third quarter. You're not used to it because your rhythm's not there.
Bandage sa taas sa kanyang kaliwang kilay.
Boom.
Oh, nice jumper from Garakot. This guy's knocking down those mid-range. Ni Mark Baroka. It was just a long two. James Yap playing well. Turns. Basket rounds para kay James. But he used to play again. Kanyang napapasok dito. Paul Lee's been quiet. Pass inside to Ian. Finger roll. Nice find from Paul.
Wide open. Ian Sangalang sailing down the...
Vincent. Magnolia has played well enough to probably secure itself a playoff spot already.
Oh, yeah.
You're going to say like you just don't care. Check this out. James Yap going left, spinning right, basket off the glass. Next level move brought to us by Honda.
You gotta just keep playing your game. That was a great move. He got it around Rafi Rivas. Oh, nice seal.
Nakahanap doon si Rome De La Rosa. Stop this and clean that up. But here's Dambatak.
Okay, it's tears.
One-hander from Santillan. Getting that probably from James Yap. So it in practice.
Yeah, very good. Very good.
Oh, yan na naman. Sneaky na naman to si Rome De La Rosa. And Baroka's been finding him.
That's back in. Let's look at this once again. He just breaks free. Defensive breakdown there by the Elasto Painters. And he's wide open under the basket. Something pretty quick.
Nambatak ngayon. Discarte.
Oh, nice.
And
Nice.
they did set up something really quick.
That was a great play. Grab it. He just tipped it. As we look at this once again, what a nice dish off there. Avoiding all the defenders going baseline.
Makes his move. Goes to Sangalang. Set him up. He hesitated. The shot is a miss.
Oh, wow.
Look at Calvin keeping it alive. He gets it off the glass. Credit already.
He'll have a few extra ice bags for that tonight.
Ang layo. Oh, pasok yan! Sting Reyna. Paramdam si JV.
Oh, he's open.
Di lang napasa.
Santillan.
Ito yung Mocon Abueva matchup. Mocon will step back and hit that shot from the defenders and draws a lot of fouls,
He
right?
does get those. Let's look at this play last. Almost a foul there. Maybe a little touch on.
Or kahit itabla lang nila. Baroka wants 3. Ew, nothing but net. And then a low 5 mula sa kanyang coach who was right behind.
Mark Baroka, despite a tremendously bad injury sa mukha niya, no, is able to focus here in the fourth. Oh, speaking of focusing.
Ganda nung up fake. Tapos atake. Big guy finishes at the rim. Bo will make his move against Rivas. Clears some space and gets the basket off the glass. Bo felt. Well, after that big bucket mula kay Bo, ito yun, no? Ito mo, cleared some space. Atras ni Rafi. Shot off the glass. Problem is, Bo got called for a foul on the other side after that.
His ability to rise to the occasion and take the big shots when they need to. And speaking of big shots,
Wow.
there's a right occasion right there.
With this game.
Oh,
Sangalang, he will attack. Kick to Baroka on the drive. Baroka gets it just in time. Wow!
buzzer baseline.
Ba nangyari doon?
Well, Ian misses it. He kicks it out to Baroka, who comes in strong, and it just looked like Norbert just fell wrong.
Natamaan pa ni Norbert actually si Santillan. You can see Santillan grabbing his face. And here's that shot. Yep.
Yeah, that's gonna count.
Red light came on.
4-point play. Run, bump into you. Okay, so Baroka gets it up top. Oh, almost.
Almost threw it away. Hanmisi open from 3. Oh, he can't get it to go. Bakbakan sa rebound. Sangalang. And he made that shot, but regardless whether that counts, no foul was called anyway. So it looks like Rain or Shine is going to come out of here or there with a victory.
Yeah, big
As
win.
Magnolia heads out into the dugout. Bit of disappointment because they had their chances.
Big win for Rain or Shine. Almisi had the shot, just a little bit off. And it will be a no basket. Rain or Shine, after losing their last 2 ball games, finally picks up a win. And what a win it was against the second place Magnolia Hotshots, who will go down today to 6-2